Hey y'all, I'm feeling lazy today, so let's just try throwing something in the Emeril cooker. Look at that, I found some Bear Creek chicken noodle soup mix, and it was on sale! But we can't just throw soup on the stove and call it dinner. Let's add some frozen chicken breast tenderloins. That should be enough to make it taste meaty, I think. So I'm going to put the air fryer lid on, like that, and set air fryer. Let's go about, let's get it hot, something like it, hot, hot, hot. And timer, let's get it down to, let's try 6 minutes. And then I'll take it out, I'll season it, I'll slice it, then season it. And it has to reach 165 degrees. But we're still going to cook it. We're going to throw it in with the soup, so let's see how it goes. Something tells me they're not quite ready. Should I get out the thermometer? I could call them medium rare chicken tenders. Or I could just cook them longer. Ah, that's more like it. Okay, the directions say bring 8 cups of water to a rolling boil, whisk in soup mix, simmer. Yeah, we're not going to do that. We've got the soup mix. Remember, our motto is we screw up so you don't have to. And we've got the chicken. And we have Flavor Fiesta, some frozen veggies. And we also have 8 cups of water. Okay, we'll put on the pressure cooker lid. See, pressure cooker lid. And let's see, you're supposed to boil it or cook for 10 minutes. What happens if we hit stew? Yeah, that's probably, no. Set timer. Yeah, let's go with 7 minutes. See what happens. I declare that done. I let it naturally release for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and opened it up. Man, look at that. Oops, getting all foggied up here. Man, that is good soup. Oh yeah, that is good soup. So we took the Bear Creek's good soup anyway, but just a little bit of work. And I could have sauteed the chicken, but I wanted to try the air fryer and it worked just fine. So now all I gotta do is drop some saltines in there and I'm good to go. So, no soup for you! Because we'll eat it all up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. And thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing, helpful comments, and all that other wonderful stuff you do. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!